children. Broadly, an individual under 16 years of age is considered a child. But children have the same rights as adults over their personal data. The GDPR pays particular attention to children's personal data. That's because children are vulnerable individuals. They are less aware of the risks, consequences, and their rights in relation to the processing of their personal data. Especially for marketing, creating personality or user profiles, and the collection of personal data when using services offered directly to a child. You may need to acquire their parents' consent to process children's data. Any communication you do with a child related to the processing should be in clear and plain language that a child can easily understand.